Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos. Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's nail art design is a stamping nail art. But once I started this nail art design, what happened? You just can't imagine. I don't know how and when my nails got bigger than the stamping design. Last time I stamped, they were okay, but I don't know. And I totally forgot to file them so that they fit the design. But once I was done with my stamping, I was like, this looked pretty, and I was not in the mood of redoing everything. So what I did, I have some hexagonal glitter powder. I used the same color of my stamping polish, that is golden, and applied it on my nail tips, and they really made it look so beautiful. I think better than before what I was expecting. So guys, sometimes mistake really turns out good. Let's start with the video. Start with a base coat. Once your base coat is completely dry, then only move to your next step. The color I'm going to use today is the Sally Hansen in shade 08 Glossy. I really love this color. I have used so many times, but still, because of the opacity, I think I'm going to just need a single coat of this. Once the nail polish is completely dry, I'm going to move to the next step. This is the hexagonal golden, light golden or champagne color glitter, which I'm going to use today. The help of this fan brush. Now I'm going to apply a top coat so that the glitter sticks to the nail. So I'm only going to cover approximately 50 to 60% of my little pinky with this glitter. It's really easy to work with a glitter if you have a fan brush. For my ring finger and middle finger, I'm just going to cover 10 to 20% of my nail with this glitter because I forgot to file my nail and I know my stamping design is going to be smaller than my nail size. That I am not at all in the mood of redoing everything. So this is the solution I found. For my index finger, it's same as my little finger. I'm going to cover 50 to 60% of it with this glitter. Now for stamping, I'm going to use this design. So I'm going to use a yellow polish. I'm going to put some golden dots also so that the stamping design glows a little bit. See, you can see the golden color in between. And yes, my design is very much smaller than my nail. For my middle finger, I'm going to use this design. And same both polishes, yellow and golden. Scrape it. Just pick up the design. So my stamping is done, but this love is little light, so I'm going to darken it with some color. Yes, it's done. So this is the way this design is going to look. If you're going to try this at home, don't forget to share it with me. If you have any question, please write them in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.